just want to welcome you to the Coal Bog. This is a property that belongs to all the people in Carver. This is a result of the CPA. And this is the second picking. The first one was just to get it going. And whatever the profit from these berries is going to benefit the town of Carver. So we appreciate very much the help that we're getting from individuals that came up to see what was going on today.
We got these bogs as part of an acquisition for the North Carver Water District as well as the conservation land, and these bogs are part of it. It's about 3 acres, and in terms of the town, it's great because we're hoping it's going to be a good teaching tool for people, and hopefully it'll bring in some extra cash to the town too. Although, you know, every year is a different year. Last year wasn't all that great, but we didn't cost the town any money. The berries that we got off the bog paid for the everything that we bought. So we're hoping that's going to at least happen this year. We'd love for it to happen to a much larger extent, but you know, it's also a great thing because we have a lot of volunteer labor and a lot of camaraderie going together.
We're screening the chaff out of the berries. That's what we're doing. So, and we have quite a bit of chaff, more than usual, but that's because we had a lack of blossoms to feed, and we had good blossom in some places, so we couldn't back off the fertilizer. So we do have in some spots quite a bit of vegetation as well as berries too.
On the screen, it drops the berries through and they loosen up and fall out of the vine. So you do this for a few times when it's that thick, and look. Now, granted, you're going to get one berry left in there, but well, yeah, the percentage is low.
Basically, you've got the teeth down on the bottom here, the elevators go up and down, and the teeth pick up the berries and goes up the elevator and into the bag. Really simple, I guess, if you can put it. Yeah.
That coyote dog, understanding that.
That little spot in the top of that upright, that's an upright, this is a runner. That's what's going to have the berries in it. And so next spring, when we start to get a little bit of warm in April, those start to pop a little. And they pop, the warmer it gets. And the longer the daylight is, you know, and they go at different stages. Like this nice small tight bud will probably take in the spring as low as 18 degrees or less in the spring. Then as it gets warmer, the tolerance goes up. So as they get a little bigger and a little more open, then they'll only take 25. And then when they get to be these like 1/8-inch cabbages. They look like a little cabbage. That's when they're very close to 30. And so if you get a temperature below 30 for a half an hour, it'll zap that little cabbage. Then you can take a razor blade. You know when you got frosted because you can take one of those little buds and take a razor blade and saw it in half, and it'll be black in the center.
Is that why you guys flood them? Flood the logs?
Yeah, because you can't get those too cold. I mean, they'll dehydrate, dry out, and that's what winter kill is. And winter kill causes you big problems because now this is gone and these are gone, and you got to start from scratch, and it takes at least 2 years to get back to have uprights.
It's great to see so many people out here working together to get this little bog fixed. It's great to see people in town coming together over something that belongs to the town. Something that just gets them working together and having a good time doing it. It's a perfect day for it too.
So, we are inviting you to come and help us next fall. And I'm going to be looking for you. Yahoo!